Today, I'm going to show you how to use your car, this time in your car, to make your neck nice and long, get rid of any extra chins you don't like, and maybe just get feeling better in your neck. Stay tuned. Let's do it. All right, now, I'm McCall, and posture is my thing. And today, my thing is car posture. All right, here's the deal. I have gone in the past and shown you how to sit in a car with a little assistance here for your low back spine. You can go to my YouTube channel for that. Today we're going to talk about necks, cervical spine right here. And the reason I'm there is because I myself started noticing that I was getting kind of a forward head, little tightness in here that I didn't used to have. Well, I have been doing a lot of the ninja training, climbing a lot, and I just started to notice that my neck was not as long and strong as normal. Now, here's the deal. I wasn't really having any discomfort. I might have been losing a little bit of range, but the key to understanding these things is really just know your body. Because for me, my upper body is not where I'm the most connected. I don't have great hand-eye coordination. Never have. My strength has always been more in my lower body. So it's easier for me to feel when things are a little off in my lower body than my upper body, which also means if I have a better feel, I have more strength and stability. So I have a history of cervical issues. I used to have a lot of neck pain. I have a degenerative disc in an area of my neck, which used to give me a lot of pain, doesn't anymore. But I can get disconnected and not feel my neck as well as I can feel what's happening in my lower body. Because, as I've told you, everything's about the feel. And when you got the feel and you have the awareness, everything else, then you have the strength and you have the ability to move with comfort. All right, so here we go. The great thing about cars, well, there's a lot of great things about cars. But one of the great things about riding in a car is that it contains you and there's nothing else you can do. So even if your attention is not on your body, you can set your body up so that your body can shift and relax and have a different posture when you get out of the car. So in other words, if you're like this all the time, then your body's going to remember this all the time. So what if I set my body up different in the car? I get out of the car and I have a new awareness and understanding of where my neck and my spine should be. It's really actually very effective. All right, so here's my game. I'm going back to a move that I just loved when I first started doing this, and it really stretched my neck out, and so I'm going to walk you through it. So what you do, you get in the car, whether you're driving or not, and I've shown you in my other YouTube video of how to support your spine so that your ribs are relaxed and lifted. Then what I want you to do is I want you to stretch the back of your neck and place the back of your neck like that on the headrest. Now, it looks odd. I know it does. But so what? You're in the car, you're driving around, but you're going to get a big stretch here. You're going to feel like you have a lot of chins here. And if you're really tight in your neck, you're going to feel like, I kind of feel like that I have one of those party hats on and that little plastic thing that holds it on your head, the chin strap kind of is going in like that. So you may feel a little tight there. So I really stretch the back of the neck and I set my head up. And then I push my seat back. I get everything to where I feel like I'm good. I can see more. And you're kind of stuck there. You're Velcroing your head there. So what's the purpose of this? The purpose is so that all of this will begin to relax. And not just here, but all of this starts to relax because we have this, it's almost like we're all short. It's as if our trunk of our body sits too high close to our neck. And when this part of your body, your chest, your upper back, and shoulders begin to drop, you will be amazed at the difference of how you feel. Now, think of it close to the spine. We tend to be really tight, real close to the spine in an area you can't get to. Like I can't point to it either. It's very centered. And so here's the trick. You want your nose to be either equal or lower than the hole in your ear, the tip of your nose, which is like really extreme. You're going to go, that is too extreme. But it's not. Just play with it. If the tip of my nose is in line with my ear hole or below, I'm going to get a good stretch. And then what I'm going to do is I've been sitting here for a while, I'm chilling, whatever. If you get too, if it just overwhelms you, let your face come up a little. But whatever you do, keep your head on the headrest. Now, here's one other more tip. If your headrest is really far back, it doesn't fit, and you end up leaning back, stretching you're leaning too far back, you can just put something over your headrest and you'll go, oh, that's much more comfortable. You have to play with your headrest, your spine, your seat. And then you just stretch it like that and hang out. And over time, you'll be stunned at how much release in your neck you'll get. And even if you turn your head to the left or right, as strange as it feels, you're gaining so much range of motion in your neck and head. And this is where we lose it. We lose our range right here at the base of the skull, and it affects our whole body. It affects the way we move. It affects everything. And having to wear readers now where I have to kind of tip my chin up doesn't help. So I need more awareness. Most people do need more awareness. So tip your head, tip your head, and begin to drive like this. Maybe you need to recline a little. You're like, okay, I'm better. But let this be your new way of sitting in the car.